Ever wondered why some e-commerce sellers soar to great heights while others seem to sink before they even get a chance to swim? One word, folks: knowledge. Or rather, a lack of it. Picture this: a passionate entrepreneur, let's call her Jane, decides to start an online store selling handmade jewelry. She's excited, she's driven, and she's got a product to die for. But 6 months later, Jane's business is barely afloat. Why? She's fallen into the common trap of misunderstanding the e-commerce landscape. Jane made two critical mistakes. First, she underestimated the power of competition. She thought her unique product would automatically stand out. She didn't consider the hundreds, if not thousands, of similar stores vying for the same customers. She didn't invest in marketing, SEO, or any form of customer acquisition strategy. Second, Jane didn't understand her customers. She assumed that because she loved her product, everyone else would too. But she didn't take the time to understand her target market, their needs, their wants, their shopping habits. She didn't tailor her product descriptions, her store layout, or her pricing strategy to appeal to her ideal customer. But don't be disheartened. Jane's story is a cautionary tale, not a prophecy. By understanding the e-commerce landscape, investing in customer acquisition, and truly knowing your customer, you can avoid these pitfalls. In summary, the e-commerce world is a battlefield, and knowledge is your greatest weapon. Competition is fierce, so you need to stand out. That means investing in marketing, SEO, and customer acquisition strategies. Understanding your customers is equally important. Know their needs, their wants, their shopping habits. Tailor your product, your store, your pricing to them. E-commerce is not a game of chance. It's a game of strategy. And like any good strategy game, the winner is the one who knows the game best. So arm yourself with knowledge, folks, because in the world of e-commerce, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit.